Best Car PPF Installer, Falcon Car Detailing. In the bustling city of Bangalore, where every car enthusiast cherishes their prized possession, the quest for superior protection and preservation of automotive beauty leads to one name standing tall amidst the crowd: Falcon Car Detailing. Renowned as the pinnacle of paint protection film, PPF, installation, Falcon Car Detailing has carved a niche for itself as Bangalore's go-to destination for those seeking unparalleled expertise and meticulous craftsmanship in PPF installation. Unveiling excellence in PPF installation. What sets Falcon Car Detailing apart from the competition is its unwavering commitment to excellence and precision in every aspect of PPF installation. With a team of seasoned professionals who possess a wealth of experience and expertise, Falcon Car Detailing ensures that every installation is executed with utmost care and attention to detail. Cutting-edge technology. At Falcon Car Detailing, innovation is the cornerstone of its operations. Equipped with state-of-the-art facilities and cutting-edge technology, Falcon Car Detailing employs the latest techniques and tools to deliver flawless PPF installations that exceed expectations. From surface preparation to film application, every step of the process is executed with precision, ensuring a seamless and long-lasting finish. Premium quality PPF films. Falcon Car Detailing spares no expense when it comes to sourcing the highest quality PPF films for its clients. Partnering with leading brands in the industry such as 3M, Expel, Suntech, Avery Dennison, and STEK, Falcon Car Detailing offers a wide range of premium PPF films that provide unmatched protection against scratches, chips, and environmental damage. Exceptional customer service. At Falcon Car Detailing, customer satisfaction reigns supreme. The team prides itself on delivering exceptional customer service, catering to each client's unique needs and preferences. From initial consultation to post-installation care, Falcon Car Detailing ensures a seamless and hassle-free experience, earning the trust and loyalty of car enthusiasts across Bangalore. Testimonials speak volumes. The reputation of Falcon Car Detailing as Bangalore's premier PPF installer is further reinforced by the glowing testimonials of satisfied customers. With a track record of delivering excellence and exceeding expectations, Falcon Car Detailing has become the trusted choice for discerning car owners who demand nothing but the best for their vehicles. In a city where automotive excellence is celebrated, Falcon Car Detailing stands as a beacon of quality and professionalism in PPF installation. With its unwavering commitment to excellence, state-of-the-art facilities, premium quality PPF films, and exceptional customer service, Falcon Car Detailing has rightfully earned its status as Bangalore's best PPF installer. So, if you're looking to unlock the pinnacle of protection for your prized possession, look no further than Falcon Car Detailing, where perfection meets passion.